Okay, so we're asked to find the area here of the shaded sectors. Okay, so because it relates to area and a circle, my first line of thought is to work out the area of the full circle. Okay, which of course we know the formula for that to be pi r squared. Now leave the answer in terms of pi because it's non-calculator. So we keep pi there, but we're going to square then the radius, which will be 12. So 12 squared. And 12 squared, of course, is 144. So the area of the full circle will be 144 pi. That's my first step. Okay. But of course, we don't want the full circle. We just want the area of this sector here. Yeah. And we just need to appreciate the sector is just a fraction of the full circle. Okay. So if the sector is a fraction of the full circle, the area will be a fraction of the area of a full circle. So to get the sector area, I'm going to be doing the fraction. Now, what fraction will it be? Will it be 60 degrees out of 360, yeah? Because the full circle is 360, 60 out of it. So fraction times 144 pi, okay? And, you know, that might be a lot to do without a calculator, but we can simplify this fraction down here. We can cancel the zeros, okay? And 6 over 36, that will simplify as well, because if you think about it, 6 goes into both of them. 6 goes into 6 once, goes into 36 6 times. So we've got 1/6 times 144 pi. We can think of that as 144 pi divided by 6, okay? And we can divide them. Okay, so if we do the bus stop by the side here, we'll see if it divides into it. So 6 into 1 doesn't go. 6 into 14 goes twice, which is 12. 6 times 2 is 12, so the remainder 2 from 14. And 6 into 24 goes 4 times, so we get 24 pi. Okay, similar then with part B, all right? Similar situation. This time, again, the area of the circle I'm going to work out to start with, which is pi r squared. So that will be pi times 90 squared in this case. So we take up the time on working that bit out because 90 is a large number. But if you write it like this, you can see then what that calculation is. If you're careful, just times the 9's together, yeah? Ignore the zeros. So 9 times 9 is 81. But then, remember, there are 2 zeros there. So it'll be 8,100 pi then as the area of the full circle. But remember, I only want the sector area, which is part of the full circle, and it'll be the fraction of 40 over 360 times then 8,100 pi. Okay, now these zeros will cancel, all right, and then we can simplify this fraction further because 4 goes into both of them. 4 goes into 4 once, and 4 goes into 36 9 times. So you've got that there. And as I said, 1/9 of 8,100 is the same as 8,100 divided by 9. Don't forget the pi, and of course we can do this in our heads because 81 divided by 9 is just 9, so you could just divide that by that. 81 divided by 9 is 9, and add the 2 zeros on, and then pi at the end.